Morfico Tishnov, situated near the town of Brno, presents a new generation of concrete floors. Self-leveling cement coatings. Morfico produces and distributes a wide range of special dry cement mixtures with the trademark MFC. MFC cement coatings can be used in new buildings as well as during maintenance work on different base surfaces. The development of new technologies and the industrial production of dry cement mixtures have enabled the full replacement of former cement coatings 20 to 50 millimeters thick by thin layers of only 2 to 20 millimeters. Self-leveling cement coatings enable the reduction of the load on main load-bearing concrete structures. Final surface finishing can be done just before the building is completed, and their use increases work productivity. The maintenance of old floors can be carried out in a very short time by applying a very thin layer without affecting the load-bearing frames. The mixtures, which used to be imported, are now produced by Morfico in a new modern factory. Fully automated operation, including mixing technology, guarantees a high production quality. Dry mixtures of cement, fillers and special additives are made from mostly Czech-produced materials. All raw materials used are constantly tested, and the exact quantities are based on our own mixing formula. Morfico products do not contain any harmful chemical substances or organic solvents. The certificates we have been awarded, as well as the system of quality control, guarantee the quality of our final products, which are continuously tested in laboratories. The self-leveling quality of different materials is checked by qualified workers immediately before application at the building site by fluidity tests. MFC materials can be divided into several groups. Auxiliary materials for repairing potholes and cracks. Next come base materials used as an equalizing layer under a different floor covering. And the third group is formed of materials for industrial plant floors, which are used as the final coating. The section of an industrial plant floor shows its structure. The treated base is covered with an equalizing hardening MFC Final 420 layer, topped with a final and highly resistant MFC Final 410 layer, and a colour coating if required, protecting against water or oil drops. To create a perfect connecting bridge between the base surface and MFC material, it's necessary to treat the base well. The proper way to clean the surface is milling, blasting or grinding, followed by vacuuming of the floor. The surface must be clean, dry and free of redundant particles. Before pouring the mixture onto the floor, exact measurements are taken so as to decide on the optimum thickness of the layer. The boundaries of the poured layer, as well as eventual passages in the floor, are marked with the help of self-adhesive strips of plastic foam, which adhere perfectly to the base surface. For the application of self-leveling MFC materials, the surface is divided into work fields of a maximum width of 8 meters to allow for the creation of a compact surface layer. The penetration MFC primer is applied on the cleaned and well-measured base. The number of penetration coatings depends on the absorption capacity of the base, the minimum amount being 2. As soon as it is dry, the base is ready to receive the floor layers. The dry mixture is blended with water in an exact ratio in a mixing machine, and the compound poured through a delivery hose onto the prepared surface. If special equipment is used, the application of layers can be done 120 meters away from or 5 floors above the mixing center. When the base surface is highly uneven, the MFC Final 420 mixture containing polypropylene fibers is used first to level out differences in elevation and to harden the surface. MFC materials do not need to be leveled when poured. The liquid mixture flows smoothly. It's only necessary to remove air bubbles with a hand squeegee. Next comes the application of the MFC Final 410 mixture, forming a layer of a minimum 4 mm in thickness. Having dried out, it forms the top layer of the floor. If the MFC materials are applied according to the instructions written on the packaging, their use is very simple. This up-to-date technology, based on the special qualities of MFC materials, guarantees that the floor will have an absolutely flat surface of perfect quality. The advantages of MFC materials are obvious. They can be used on different types of base surfaces, on old as well as new concrete. Their application enables the creation of an absolutely flat surface with very thin layers. These products are very economical, thanks to their short setting and maturing time and high productivity. All MFC materials are resilient and highly resistant to shrinkage. And last but not least, they're very environment friendly. As part of its business, Morphico trains dealers and firms applying their products. Morphico also provides a full advisory and technical service. Partners of Morphico are also offered the necessary equipment. Morphico experts also do field research, making drill holes and testing bonding strength. According to the state of the subsoil, appropriate composition as well as technology can be proposed. Comprehensive customer care, a wide range of products, and the high quality of MFC materials are attributes that have been verified in floor making in many industrial enterprises, storehouses, sports centres, and many office buildings and residential houses in the Czech Republic as well as abroad.